Swift for tutorial for beginner. Today I will show the example of multi-line string literal. So what is multi-line string literal? By default, Swift string cannot span more than one line. One simple way around this is used to the new line character /n. But Swift 4 is a new feature is a multi-line string literal. Multi-line string literal works similar to regular string in the support like string interpolation, but they have added benefit. They can speed over many lines as you need. To start a string literal, you need to write three double quotation at mark. This is the string variable. When we declare the multi-line string, at first the three double quotation mark, and this is your string. You can write multi-line. This is the test 1, test 2. This is the multi-line, and then when ending the string, again double three quotation for ending the multi-line string. In multi-line string, you can use the variable as interpolation backslash title slash. So this showing here the output. This is the your string, and this is your variable title. Variable title print in multi-line string, the Swift 4 for beginners. So multi-line string is you can will be declared at first three quotation and then your string, and in the string you can define any variable, any constant, and when this string end, three double quotation will be end of the string variable. So this is the multi-line string. Multiple line string, we can declare the double three quotation starting and double three quotation with the ending string. Thank you so much.